We're Haley and Jake, and for the past 7 months, we've been weaving our way through Mexico in our van. Since our last video, we've driven a few hours south to just outside of this small town, which is where we'll begin today's journey to the geothermal pools of Las Grutas Talantongo. Good morning, Finny. Good morning.
Good morning and welcome back. Today we are very excited because we are heading to Grutas Talantongo, which is the main highlight of the state of Hidalgo. We have about an hour drive into the mountains to get there, so let's go.
Bumpy road. That view is incredible.
Yeah. Wow. I like to point out it's still a 60 something.
Yeah. We're just driving past the Mirador right now. That is a beautiful view. We're just driving down into Grutas Talantongo now. It's a really windy switchback road down into a valley with incredible views of the mountains. You can see all the stratification with all the different colors in the haze. It's really pretty. We are in it with 780 pesos, and that is to pay for 2 days visiting Grutas Talantongo and camping overnight. We are allowed to camp in our camper van. Finley is allowed to be in here and he's allowed to walk around in the parking lot, which is awesome because we were worried that he wouldn't be allowed anywhere. So let's go. Ready to go? So there's two halves to the park. Today we are over by the pozas, which is the pools.
Which is the famous part.
The famous part. It's a little bit of a maze to find them. Oh, there's campers. We found the pools.
Warm but not scalding.
Ooh. Oh, that's nice. What do you think?
When we first saw a bunch of empty pools, I wasn't sure. But now that we found them, this is pretty cool.
Oh yeah, work it. There's a suspension bridge over here that we're going to next. Ooh, Jacob on the bridge. Those rock formations are really cool. Woo! Oh, he just hits you here.
That's cool. So the pools are a series of cascading natural water that comes out of the ground. It's hotter at the top and cooler at the bottom, and there's tons of different pools you can go in and enjoy the beautiful views.
So we were down there for probably about an hour and a half. Everything's pretty close together. We're heading back to the van to go have some lunch, go hang out with Finley, and then we'll go back out this afternoon. Hi bud, did you have a nice nap? Hello.
Hey Finley, did you miss us?
That's fun. So we're just relocating over to the other side of the park. We had to exit and then re-enter, but you can use your same tickets to get back in. We just moved to our camping site. Look how blue the water is.
You can look at the water, Finley, but you can't go in. Sorry, bud.
Let's go swimming.
Time to set up camp.
And this is this evening's dinner view. It's very rare that we get to sit with our sliding door open, so we are really enjoying it. Thank you. Cheers.
Hi, Finley. I love you. You a good boy? You a good boy? Did you eat all your breakfast? Yeah.
We're just getting ourselves all sorted to head to the second half of the park today. We'll be packing up. Finley will be staying here at the campground, and then we are going to walk over and go see the waterfalls. So here is where we camped last night. We're just walking all the way along up to here. This walk is reminding us of Yosemite National Park in the States. It's so beautiful with the cliffs towering over you.
So we're on a hunt to find a cave and a waterfall.
that was the Grutas. That was a lot of fun. There's a really strong current and the water at the bottom is geothermal. It's all nice and warm. But then the water from the top was freezing. The water is really hot in here. Oh my goodness.
The tunnel was a dark cave full of hot water and pools. We didn't go in very far because we don't have any lights, but I don't know how far to go.
That was so much fun. So we probably didn't capture any audio there because it was so loud, but there's two parts. There was a cave with a waterfall and all of the water is geothermal. So it's really hot in the bottom, but it's freezing cold on the top. And then the other half is there's a cave that you can walk into, which is pitch black. But it was a lot of fun as well. And that was also really hot. And it walked through a tunnel and then there was a swimming pool, little cove in there.
And more tunnel. Which is where we stopped because we don't have any flashlights.
Yeah, we're definitely not prepared for this morning. But it was lots of fun. Back to the van.
This is a stunning spot to camp.
So you can definitely see everything in this park in one day, as long as it's not a really busy day. But if you get the chance to camp here, definitely do it. It's absolutely beautiful.
And me. And we haven't had a good spot to have a nice nature campsite in a really long time. And we really miss it after being on the mainland for a couple months.
Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Fix the window cover.
Well, I just pulled up.
Oh, roll out. Hi, bud.
Hi.
You can come out. I'll push him out. Hi, bud. Come on, Pepper. Hello. Hello, handsome. Oh my God, it's Finley. Hi, Finley. We're all packed up and ready to leave. We had loads of fun here. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us for the ride. We've got a pretty steep climb to get back out of this valley, so fingers crossed it goes smoothly. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to join us on our journey across Mexico, and we'll see you next time in Mineral del Chico.